If you're already a fan of Tortuga backpacks, but you prefer a duffel bag style carry, then I can almost guarantee you're going to love the Setout Duffel Bag. It's made with all the same great materials and hardware as the travel backpack. It has a large top opening main compartment, laptop sleeve, a ton of organizational compartments, and a crossbody shoulder strap instead of backpack straps. The fabric is the same thick 900 denier polyester that's found in the travel backpack. It's treated with a DWR durable water resist coating, which makes it water resistant, but it's not waterproof. The travel duffel is only available in this dark heather gray color, unlike the backpack, which you can get in black or navy. But I like this color anyway. It's a nice, pretty dark gray fabric interwoven with black threads. The zippers and hardware are all the highest quality, with large number 8 YKK zippers on all the main exterior compartments and a slightly smaller number 5 on all the interior pockets. And the zippers on all 3 main compartments and the shoe compartment are lockable. The hardware is all thick plastic Duraflex brand, but because there's only one strap, there isn't a lot of hardware with this bag. It's pretty much just this lobster claw clip and the D-clip that attaches it to the bag, as well as the adjusters. Because there are so many locking zippers, using regular TSA locks isn't going to be very practical because you're going to have locks hanging all over your bag. You have a couple of options here. You can not put valuables in every pocket so you don't have to lock them all, or you can use something like this keychain clip or a mini carabiner as a low-key way to secure the pockets and make them harder to get into. Another option is something like this flexible lock loop here. It's a little bit tight on this bag, but this thing is long enough that you can lock all 3 zippers together on the main compartments at the same time. In addition to the 4 locking zippers, Tortuga added an interesting security feature on the Setout duffel. Right below the laptop compartment side is a hidden slash pocket. They take a small zipper with a tiny little zipper pull and they sew it into the bag backwards so that the nylon coil is on the inside of the bag and the fabric seam overlaps in front of the zipper. Basically, what this does is it gives you a small pocket that's difficult to see from the outside of the bag. The dimensions on the Setout duffel are designed to be carry-on friendly for most airlines, with a length of 22 inches, a height of 12, and a width of about 9. But this bag is soft-sided and you can fit a ton of stuff in here, so you need to be careful not to overpack it. As an example, I just overstuffed this bag, and you can see the length on the bottom is still 22 inches, but the length right here in the middle where it's sticking out is almost 24 inches. The height is still about 12 inches, but the depth here is sticking out almost 12 inches. Now looking at the external components on the Setout duffel, there are a ton of great features on this bag, including a detachable shoulder strap, top carry handles, a shoe compartment, and a bunch of compartments and hidden pockets. Each side has a large slash pocket with no further interior compartments or pockets, as well as this large Velcro opening that extends the entire side of the bag. This is going to be where you store the top carry handles, but you can also use it for storage. On the laptop side of the bag, the Velcro pocket opens from the bottom with another one of these kind of hidden zippers. This is going to be the luggage pass-through where you can put it over the handle on a rolling piece of luggage. The shoe compartment on the end of this bag is massive. You can see it could easily take up half the volume of the interior. You could easily fit 2 pairs of running shoes in here, and as an example, I tested this out with my leather boots. Those things fit in there, no problem. Now looking at the carry options, which are a crossbody shoulder strap and 2 top carry handles. The shoulder strap is a thick nylon webbing that attaches to the bag with these burly Duraflex buckles. The padding on the shoulder strap is huge, with a thick, firm foam padding on the back and this softer foam covered in this air mesh on the front. The top carry handles are also a thick nylon webbing that can be attached together and carried with this padded Velcro handle. Instead of being attached at the ends of the bag like most duffels, the Tortuga straps are set on these clips kind of offset on either side of the bag. I found this helped the bag sit really nicely, either kind of just on your hip right here, or you can kind of bring it around slightly behind your back, and it just sits really nice, and it's pretty comfortable. The shoulder strap is also really thick and padded. It's a great way to carry the bag. As with all Tortuga travel bags, the interior components and organization are loaded with a ton of features. There are 2 large top opening organizational pockets on each side of the bag. One side has the laptop sleeve and the tablet sleeve, as well as these 2 zippered mesh pockets. The laptop sleeve is kind of small and only fits a 13-inch laptop, which is too small for my 15-inch Dell here. It just doesn't fit. And it also doesn't have a false bottom, so the pocket goes all the way down to here. So the only thing protecting the bottom of your laptop is this piece of thin foam on the bottom of the bag. The other side is for small item organization, and that's similar to what you see in a school backpack. There's a bunch of small dividers and pockets in here. There's like 7 little dividers, this large divider, as well as a zippered pocket, and this nice little metal key leash. And then there's the main storage area in the middle. It's a large compartment with a top opening zipper, and inside are a couple of additional mesh pockets. On one side, there's this large mesh pocket going the entire length of the bag, and then there's 2 smaller ones on the other side. I like this top opening style because it's easy to pack, it's easy to get to your stuff. And with this design, you can either use packing cubes or not, depending on how you like to pack the bag. I'll probably do a packing demo in another video if anybody wants to see how to pack this bag and what I can fit in here. And also, even when this bag is empty, it has a nice square bottom, which lets the thing stand up on its own, lets you see and access, get all your stuff pretty easily in the main compartment. In summary, the Tortuga Setout Travel Duffel is an awesome travel bag. If you've used Tortuga products in the past and you like them, but you prefer a duffel style carry-on, then you're gonna love this bag. My favorite thing about the Setout Duffel is the materials. Tortuga uses all the best hardware and fabrics in their packs, and they back it up with a really great warranty in case anything does go wrong with your bag. The Setout Duffel also has a huge main compartment, great external organization, and a really comfortable shoulder carry strap. My main critique on this bag is I think it might have too many pockets. I counted 23 in all, counting all these little dividers, but not including the pen compartments. And this can be a good or a bad thing depending on how you look at it. If you have a ton of small items and you like to have your stuff really organized, then this can be great. However, if you prefer more of a minimalist bag, then this is gonna be a little bit overkill for you. Which leads to my second critique, which is the weight. This thing weighs in at about 3.8 pounds or about 1.7 kilograms. And all these extra pockets and dividers and the compartments are one of the main things that contributes towards the weight. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about the Tortuga Setout Travel Duffel, then please let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And again, if you like videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.